how you all doing? Yeah, here I am today. I'm up at the Delaware Water Gap. I'm on the way to Finger Lakes. So, I got the drone packed away. I didn't bring the metal detector, but I should have. But anyway, this is where I'm at right now. And it looks like I'm in a good area here. And I'm going to turn it around so you can get a good... There you go. Those are the back of the restaurants. I'm not even near the visitor center yet, but this is really, really nice area here. But I'm going to walk down. I'm going to the beach area I found. I didn't know this was here. So that's what we see. And I wish I had my metal detector, but I would have went down there with it. But down here, this is the Delaware River. And it's pretty cool here. This looks like it gets a good washout here once in a while. Yeah, man, this is cool. Look at that. Look at this area here. There you go. How's that look? Better. A much better view. Yeah, man. Look at this. Really nice here. I've seen this before. I used to ride my motorcycle up this way, but I never came down here. Then again, I might have. I just don't remember it. Because I'm getting so old now. But, yeah. You can see the stairs where I came down. So I'm going to go back up. Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye. Okay folks, here's my 4 problems. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 problems. All my problems. I didn't leave my problems. I didn't leave my problems home. I took all my problems with me. Okay. You're on video. So you're going to go on YouTube like this. Live. Okay? You want to show your shoes? Show your shoes, ladies. Okay? Okay.
I was about to do it.
Okay. Show your boobs, ladies. Okay. My 4 problems. Okay. It's a beautiful mountain scene. Look at that. Another couple down there. There's the walking path to the visitor center. Okay. Vacation today. You ain't kidding, right?
Might not be such a bad thing.
That's true. How's business? Good? Business is good?
So, money goes in here, kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's excellent. bedrooms are upstairs. I haven't been up there yet. Since I've been here. Okay, video. Hey, roll here. Roll here. There's Nico, right? Please turn around, please. Everybody got their lipstick on? Okay, look good. Look good. There we go. All right, thank you to the nephews and nieces. Dave, is that okay where I park?